Hi guys, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, and today we are going to blast into Valentine's Day with some strawberry dipped chocolates and some Oreo cookies. We're going to drizzle those, and then we have baskets that we pretty much already assembled. Just have a few more to wrap, and let's go ahead and get this party started. But what I like for you to do first is like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. There go our strawberries. And I have some Oreos already in the mold, and our chocolate is melted. Let's get going. Okay, our strawberries have already been cleaned and dried. And we did that earlier, and they've been sitting out just for a moment. You see how these are very nice strawberries, and they are super sweet, guys. Super sweet. So we're just gonna stir up our wafer chocolate here, white, and then we have some milk chocolate. Just tap in for a minute, and then we're gonna get to dipping. We already have our toothpicks and our berries. My hands, of course, have been cleaned. We have our little embellishments, like as I like to call them, is red, pink, and that first one was, of course, just a Valentine sprinkle. And then we have our little holders here, baking cups. These are the Oreo dipped that I've already molded, and I'm using Oreo thins. And yeah, so let's get going. Our first berry here. You want to gather your greenery at the top. Yep. And then I like to get some of that chocolate off the bottom so it'll lay flat. Okay, my chocolate is a little too hot, I think, here. And so I want to put my sprinkles on before that chocolate gets before it sets. Look, guys, look at these strawberries. That's so pretty. Okay, so now we gonna do the drizzle on camera real quick. Do our little test. Guess I'm gonna start from back here. Let's get this icing back, this chocolate back hot. Ready to go. Ready to go. Ah, this one's shaped a little awkward. Mm, hasn't said yet, so. And there's your drizzle. Shizzle dizzle. All right, until next time, we're going to get this boxed up, and then I'll show you a final picture. So I'm going to put some drizzle on these other plain ones, too. So let me go. Okay, here are the final strawberries. Don't they look so cute? And now they're in the packaging, which I just used some simple containers. Now on to the baskets. These are candy, what we call candy bouquets. And this is the bag that I made by hand with some tape, clear tape. We just put the container or arrangement in the plastic bag. Put some shredded paper in there as well, just to give it some embellishing. And this is Snickers. That's what this one is. This is Snickers. And we're gonna get this all wrapped up. We're gonna pull the paper to the back and tape. We'll tape under. We'll gather the top. I'll be there shortly. And then I make my own bows, just using some string, ribbon. And you take the scissors and you just pull each piece individually until it has a tight curl. Then I gather the middle section and I staple it together. And then I just use two pieces of that same ribbon to tie this down. And sometimes you have to play around with it, the bag, the bowl, until you get it to your liking. I think I'm almost there, guys. And we did approximately, originally I was going to do like 30 baskets, but I ended up doing maybe like 25 that I wrapped. I just got too tired. And of those 25, I think I might have 5 left. And that's only because I had so much other stuff going on that I really didn't have time to finish them up. But anyway, here we go. Ta-da! And this was a on order for a customer. And this is how some of the other baskets turned out. And the prices ranged anywhere from $15 to like $50. We didn't have any Bath and Body Works this time. I didn't do those baskets. I wanted to do something a little. But we will be getting back to our Bath and Body Works. I love making Bath and Body Works baskets. And yeah, here's some more of the finished baskets. You had Reese Cup, Snickers, Kit Kat, Hershey's, milk chocolate. And then there were other little crunch chocolate in there, those hearts. Cute, cute, cute. On this little 2-piece sleepwear set, or long johns, some people call them. I had plush bears. Guys, wait till Easter. Man, wait till Easter. Nerds. Yeah, guys. And this is an order also that's boxed up, ready to go. Yeah, guys. So next time, please tune in. If you haven't already done so, subscribe, like, and share. Be good to yourself. And have a great day. Till next time. Peace out.